we know.
Put up your lighters from your birthday guys and fighters and your birthday boys. Please. I'm going to give thanks for reggae music because that's the source that brought us together tonight. Yes. Fire burning the road, yes. I'm going to give Selassie, I give thanks for life. I'm going to give I got the life. Fire be the burn. Well done. It's the best thing to me. It's to my mind, yes. I said that reggae music is so sweet. It thrills my spine, yes. I said that I really want to hear some more. Select us and we play some more. Cause reggae music is something that you can't ignore. Because blacks love the reggae, and whites love the reggae, Chinese love the reggae, I know about. Japanese love the reggae, Kiwis love the reggae, everybody love the reggae. Reggae music, it's the best music that I'm sure of, because I love the reggae, you love the reggae, everybody love the reggae, I know. The fire it is burning here down in Jamrock, you find burning spear. Peter Tosh, not to mention the two of them, Marley and the music of them. God makes it the temple, so we got the rat them. Sister pass it up to me, I am one of them like them. Reggae music so nice, I'm say love with the God them, because blacks love the reggae, and whites love the reggae, Chinese love the reggae, I know. Japanese love the reggae, Kiwis love the reggae, everybody love the reggae for sure. Reggae music is the best music, and I'm sure because I love the reggae, you love the reggae, yes. Listen up, let me talk about the ladies. Them a lot of us in those times were babies when Rita Marley Master Griffith should you move at them all around the world. Listen, people move at them. Those time and these time, it's not so even. Still look at the ladies like Tanya Steven. In Africa, Etana, them wherever the Eden. You're Lisa, I because I feel them. Fire, I love the reggae, yes. I love the reggae, Chinese love the, and I know how. Japanese love the reggae, Kiwis love the, I'm in sad, I love the reggae.
We love the reggae. Alright, so give it up. We have, last but not least, our final
girls, got them enough, got them slim, got them buff. Did the girl think because I got them love? They love because me sing as I sang them tough. The girl them love of the rock, bless it. One love.
Also, we have 5 persons who we chose to do a Shellings Monday song, and the person who wins that competition is going to get a prize also, and that song is going to be going on mix CDs, going to be used for promotions, you name it. You don't know, say a Shellings Mondays. Thank you very much for coming out. A Shellings Messiah, you don't know, big up Junior Reed, big up the One Blood family. You don't know, big up everybody about your Macamelli party. Don't forget the 19th of November.